Nice, guys, we're actually getting our coins and our GP. Hello there YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited GP and coins in eFootball 25 latest update, guys. Absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any hacks or anything you can imagine, guys. It's absolutely free, safe and online, and I will show you now how you can get it. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, guys. It works perfectly for both devices. And before we start with this and begin with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So guys, if you have your battery saver mode on, make sure to go to your settings and make sure to turn off your battery saver mode. There we go. And after this, we will go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called twixen.com. You will find it easily, guys. Under online gen tools, you will find enter tool. Click there, enter link, and scroll down and you will find eFootball. Click there and it's the official eFootball tool for GP and for coins. So guys, we will have to find our user ID or our username in order to connect it to our account. So guys, if you don't know how to find it, just click how to find my user ID, or simply let me show you. So just go to here, extras, go to user info, go to user details. You will find there your username, and for personal information you will find user ID. I will copy my user ID, I will close the game, and I will get back to the tool, and then we will paste our username or user ID. It's really not important, but I'm using user ID. As you can see, guys, it's really important to see found. So second step is to select our coins and GP amount. I will go with maximum and I will click continue. So guys, let's wait a little bit to load this third step. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to drop that subscribe in order to stay updated with all these tutorials I record and reviews. Okay, so we got into this last step, guys. So as you can see, we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha. So we must do it because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not your robot and let's see what we'll get next. So guys, we got verification, manual verification required, so don't worry, it's normal step. It's the last step until we get our coins and GP. So we'll have a list of tasks. So guys, you will have to choose 2 tasks to complete. These tasks are all free, all safe, and all from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. So I choose this travel town and I choose this coin master. So basically I will click free, I will click go, and it will start downloading it from Google Play because I'm using my Android phone, and if you're using your iOS phone, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, when I download Travel Town, I will complete level 9, and when I download Coin Master, I will install it, open and complete village 3. So guys, you can also do these questionnaires or whatever you really want. It's just required to complete 2 tasks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks, guys. Be right back and let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing redirected me, so let's see together, will it actually redirect us? Let's wait. Nice guys, we got verification successful, user ID connected, coins and GP sent. Guys, thank you for passing the bot check, resources are on the way. I'm so excited to open now our GP, eFootball 25, and to test it. Does it actually work, guys? So as you can see, I have downloaded Travel Town and Coin Master, and I have completed their instructions. So yeah, it actually worked. So let me open my eFootball 25 game, and let's see, guys, will we actually receive our GP and our coins? So yeah, let's wait this loading screen. So I will open this. Okay, still nothing. Nice guys, we're actually getting our coins and our GP, and it works perfectly, guys, for our eFootball 25 latest game. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found this review and tutorial at the same time helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.